Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Bits with Aniket. In today's video, I'm going to show how to install the MinGW compiler. It is a compiler on your Windows machine, and we can see why it is favorite among developers. So let's get started. So first thing first, why should you care about MinGW? MinGW stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows. It's an open source toolset that provides a native window port for GNU compiler collection, that is GCC, which means you can use it to compile C programs on Windows. We can check on Wikipedia. It says it is free and open source software development environment to create Microsoft Windows applications. Developers love MinGW because it's lightweight, fast, and gives you way to compile and run Linux-like code on your Windows machine without needing a virtual machine or dual boot state. Now let's dive into the installation. Here is what you need to do. Search WinLibs. What is WinLib? WinLib standalone building of GCC and MinGW W64 for Windows. WinLib is a collection of tools and libraries that help developers build C and C++ applications for Microsoft Windows. They have lots of collections there. For WinGW, you can see there are different release versions. You can download them as per your requirement. From now, we need to download the MinGW file. First, look here. It is for Windows 32 or it is for Windows 64. You can find your system requirement. I have made separate video how to check our system requirements. So there have two options there, with or without LLVM, Clang, LLD, LLDB. It is debugger tool. Right now we don't require that debugger tool. If you require, then go for that left one, blue one. I am going with that without LLVM, Clang, LLD, LLDB. So just press on 7-zip archive or zip archive as per your requirement. Now it started downloading automatically. It has 96.6 MB file. Now it is downloaded. We can see that file in our download folder. So here we can cut that file and paste to our desktop. I have created separate folder. Paste. Okay. So now we need to extract that file. Extract all. Here is the catch. We just need to extract all the data in C drive. Don't do anything, just follow that step. C colon backslash and enter. It will automatically extract all the file to C drive. You don't need to require to create any folder to change the name of that folder. Just keep that extracting. It will create MinGW folder in C drive automatically. Now I am fast forwarding that video because extraction need lot of time. Okay, So it is successfully extracted, and that C drive is automatically open. You can see the MinGW64 folder here. Just open that. And the next step is we need to give path of that bin folder, main folder, which have all the tools there. So we need to copy that path and go to search window. Here you can type environment, edit the system environment, click there, and under the advanced tab there is environment variables. Click there and find under system variables the path. Click on the path and press on edit. Don't change anything, it will cost you lot. Just click on the blank space, add a new path and paste that. Okay, that's it. Your MinGW64 is added to your environment. To check that, we need to open CMD command line. To check it is installed in our system or not, type gcc version, and it will show that kind of message gcc mingw w64 and there is a version. We have installed our 14.2.0, that version to our system. So that's it. Now we have MinGW 64 version 14.2.0 which is installed in our system. If that video you found very helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.